welcome back to my channel. And as you read by the title, today I'm going to be doing a dermaplaning video. And that's basically when you like shave, I think that's, first of all, I think that's how you say it. But yeah, that's basically when you shave like all the little hairs off your face. And guys, wait a minute. I know my skin looks really bad. Hold on, let me turn this off. I know my skin looks really bad. If I get up close, you can definitely see how it looks terrible. But I just feel like doing this because I'm bored and we're still in quarantine. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it. Yeah, I hope this goes well. I truly do. But if it's a fail as soon as I start doing it, then I'm just gonna cut it. We're not doing this anymore. But before we get into this video, I'm gonna need you guys to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so y'all can get notified every time I upload a new video on YouTube. Okay, we're almost at 600, you guys. What? 600. We're almost there. Let's do it. Let's start off with what I'll be using. So I'm gonna be using this witch hazel just to clean my face so I can have like a clean surface and no other germs will be like getting into my pores or like on my skin while I'm doing the whole shaving thing. And then I also have these razors right here. You can get these from your beauty supply store. This is where I got it from. They were only like $2 for this 3-pack, $2.49 after tax, I think. And then I also have this aloe vera gel just to put it on so I can shave so it's like a smooth surface. I've seen people have used like a facial wash or like shaving cream, but I'm just gonna go ahead and stick to this aloe vera. And I'm just gonna use some cotton pads to clean my face and then use it to like clean the blade off or something like that. Guys, I'm not gonna say do this because I'm not being responsible. If you do it at your own risk. You should definitely go see a professional, but I don't want to. I kind of just want to do it by myself and see, you know, if I do good. So yeah, I already washed my face. I just got out the shower, so my face should be pretty clean, and my hands are also clean too. Face is clean, ain't nothing up there. Okay. So now, I don't know how to do this, like for real. See, I just do things without thinking it through, but whatever. Okay, so first let me put this aloe on. I don't really know how much to put on, but whatever. I'm probably just gonna do section. Oh girl, this thing is cold. Okay, you can definitely see like my dark spots. Please don't judge me. It's not good to judge people. But I'm actually gonna just wipe the blade on a paper towel because the cotton, of course, it's a good chance that it's gonna get like stuck up there. So yeah, I'm gonna take this, and then it's really important that you angle the blade correctly. Look, I'm talking like I've done this before, but common sense, something I have right now. Don't go straight like this. You have to like angle it sort of, and then pull your skin up so that you can get like a good grip on everything. Okay, well, hold up, bitch, I'm scared. Hold on. I don't think I have any here though. I don't see it. Oh my gosh, I'm doing this. Whoa. Wait, and also, a lot of people think that doing this, your hair grows back thicker. When it doesn't, because like, I think I just shaved on my eyebrow. It's just not the same as the other hair on our body. But this is what like the blade is looking like. And this is all of the hair we have so far. Can you see? It's mostly like the hair off my head, it looks like, but we're just gonna keep going. Oh my gosh, I definitely did cut some of my hair off. It's okay though. So this is how much hair we have right now, going this way. It's very important that you hold it at a certain angle and to also not go over the areas more than once because that can cause irritation to your skin, and that's just one thing we do not want. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face, or where this aloe is. Couldn't talk, and then I'll be back when I get to these other sections. Okay guys, so I have finished this whole side of my face, and honestly I feel like I didn't really need to do this because I can tell that I didn't have as much like peach fuzz or any like hair on my face really. But honestly, I'm touching it now. This side is a bit smoother. I mostly wanted to do this because it helps with like the application of your makeup. It helps us like, you know, look more flawless in a way because it's on your actual skin rather than like attaching to hairs, little tiny hairs and stuff like that. This is all of the hair that I got from that one little section. Let me see if I can focus. Ew, it looks so gross. It looks like dirt, but y'all saw I ain't had no dirt on my face. So yeah, that's all hair. This, I don't know if you can tell like if it's a visible difference, but I can definitely feel something. If any of you have like tips to get rid of my dark spots, because you can't really see it, but looking on the camera you definitely can tell. Especially, oh my gosh, I've been picking at this pimple. We're not going to talk about that, but I'm just going to go ahead and work on this side and then do my forehead, and then I'll be done with my whole face. Okay guys, so I finished this side of my face and this side, and touching it I can definitely, this one still has a little bit of aloe on there, but this side is dry and I can definitely feel like it is softer. It's not a dramatic difference for me because I didn't have that much hair on mine, but this is all of the gunk or hair that I got from this side. I feel like you can't really tell. It's not even that much hair that I did have on here, but it did remove the bit of hair that I did have on my face. I also kind of shaved my nose. I don't think you should have did that, but I had a lot of like blackheads, so I just said fuck it. Yeah, so that's what I did on my nose. I have to go ahead and do my forehead. I doubt there's anything on my forehead honestly, except my edges, and we're not shaving those off. But I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. And I honestly do think that I probably was going a little crazy with the aloe vera, but I just did not want to nick myself on my face and have some more scars. I hope y'all cannot see my hand shaking. That's so embarrassing. This is my forehead after. Wasn't really any hair on it. Oh my gosh, you can definitely see the difference in my eyebrows. I'm gonna have to go and work on those, but this is what I got from there. Just a little bit of hair. I mostly got the ones that were on my cheek definitely have like the most hair off of them. So now that I'm done with my whole face, honestly, I could have lived without doing this, but I kind of just wanted to try it, and now I know that I don't really need it, and I'm glad that I didn't go and pay a professional to do this because I barely had any hair on my face really. But I really do recommend this if you do have a lot more of like, you have more peach fuzz or like little hairs on your face. I definitely do recommend that you do it because it lightens your face up, because it shows like your actual like skin, you know, like just skin, nothing else on it, if you get what I'm saying. And it does create a softer surface, more smooth, so that you can apply your makeup, or it just helps your skin look a lot better. So I would recommend that if you do have a more of a hairier face. And that's the end of me dermaplaning. I really hope I am saying that correctly. If I'm not, please do just spare me, do not kill me in the comments. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was something different on my channel, honestly. I just wanted to try this, and if somebody else wants to try it, you know, I'm not telling you to, but if you want to, you can go ahead and follow the steps that I did or watch more videos on it so you can get some more information on it. You made it to the end of the video, and I really do appreciate that because, you know, it takes a lot to make these videos, the recording and editing, all of that. So I do appreciate you staying until the end of the video. But you guys, don't forget to subscribe and like, be positive, and let me know any other things that you would want to see on my YouTube channel. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and turn on that notification bell. Okay, since you're here, you might as well do that. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye. Make you